Okay, let's do a conversion problem as well. We're going to use dimensional analysis to convert 55 miles per hour to kilometers per second. And I will always give you whatever conversion you need between the metric system and the English system. And you should know some in the English system, like there's 12 inches in a foot, 60 seconds in a minute, but anything unusual like miles to feet I would give you. So we always start with our data, which is 55.0, and that's miles. I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to put this here, but I'm going to put hour down here. Whenever you have two units, the one on the top goes in the top, the one on the bottom goes underneath your bar, and that'll help you keep it straight in terms of conversion. So first, I choose to do this top one, so 1 mile, and since mile is here, mile has to go down here, so I'm putting mile here, and it's 1 mile. I put 5,280 feet up here, and that makes miles cancel with miles. But I don't want feet. I want to get to kilometers, but I have here that feet, there's 3.281 feet in 1 meter. So feet's here, so feet has to go down here. So 3.281 feet for 1 meter. And then you should know from your conversions that there's 1,000 meters for 1 kilometer, but I will give you the chart for those conversions. And so meters cancel, so I'm in one of the units I want. Now I have to convert hours into seconds. Since hours is down here, I need to put 1 hour here. And I know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And so hours cancels with hours. But I'm not quite there because I want minutes, not seconds. So I know in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So minutes cancel with minutes. Now I'm ready to pick up my calculator. I'm going to turn it on. And I need to get it out of scientific notation mode. So I'm going to hit mode, and I'm going to change it from scientific to normal. So I'm going to just, since normal's highlighted, I'll just hit enter. And then I hit second quit to get out of that mode. So now I'm ready to start putting in these numbers. Let's start here. We're going to start with 55.0. Since 5,280 is on the top, I would multiply. So let's start with 55.0 times 5,280. And since the 3.281 is on the bottom, I'm going to divide by 3.281. And then 1,000 is on the bottom, so I need to divide by 1,000. And then I need to divide by 60. And I divide by 60 again. And I get that that's going to equal 0.02458. And now let's look what units we have. The only things left are kilometers and seconds. So I have kilometer per second. And I never use any of my conversion factors. I go back to my data. 55.0 has 3 significant figures, so these 2 zeros are not significant. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to keep through the 5. And the 8 tells me to round that up to a 6, so I get 0.0246 kilometers per second. And that's how we do dimensional analysis. Basically, you'll get it absolutely correct if you put whatever unit you start with here, and what you need to cancel would go down on the opposite side of this line. So here I needed to cancel miles, so I put miles down here. I wanted to cancel hours, so I put hours up here to cancel hours. They just go on opposite sides. And anything that you have that cancels, you mark out. And at the end, you should see the 2 units you want to get, this one and this one. And that's what I asked to convert to. So I hope this helps. If not, let me know either via email or ask me in class.